I got basically all the makeup bits that I can possibly fit in my basket. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and hello and welcome if you are new. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. We are so close to 11,000 subscribers, which is actually just crazy. And if you are new, turn that notification bell on. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. However, this next week is going to be a little bit different, but I'll get into that in a moment. Today we have a super exciting video. We're going to be unboxing the brand new Revolution and Friends collection number 3. Your girl had to buy basically all of it. If you don't keep up to date with Revolution, you might not know, but they did 2 collections with Friends previously. I actually have a tutorial on the palettes from the last collection. I've got individual tutorials on each of them, so I'll leave them linked down below for the Lobster, the Taxi and the Open the Door palette. And then I've also did a little tutorial on the Monica palette using the Rachel lipstick as well from collection number 1. So I will leave them all linked down below. I've actually got the Monica palette on my eyes today just as a nice little fresh look, whereas the look that I did with the palette in the video was quite a grungy one. It was really nice. But let's just get into what was in this collection. So they've done things a little bit different this time. They've actually launched 2 Forever Flawless palettes with the collection, which they've never done in any of the previous ones. So the first one that we have is the Forever Flawless I'll Be There For You palette, and this retails for £12. And from the 2 palettes, one seems to be kind of your neutral go-to nude kind of palette, and the other one is more colourful. So we'll start with the more nude one, because I feel like this is going to be something that anybody could use, even if you're kind of new to makeup, because obviously it is kind of more inviting because it's not as scary as bright. And this is what it looks like. I will be doing a video for the next 5 days testing each one of these palettes every single day as well. I think the colour story in this is beautiful. This would be generally like a palette that I would be gravitated towards. Gorgeous. And I really like the Forever Flawless palette kind of formula as well. And then obviously the other one that we have is the We Were On A Break one, which looks like this. And as you can see from the inside, this one is a lot more brighter. Has got quite a few like pastel shades in it, but I feel like this one's just a little bit more fun. I have a feeling, because I've put a poll in my Patreon group, let me know on here as well, by the way, which one you want me to start off with, but I have a feeling that this will probably be the one that I'll start off testing tomorrow. But this is just what it looks like. I'm hoping the colour isn't washing it out too much. My light, sorry. But that is beautiful. I feel like we can do something really fun. Look at that. With that, I've turned my brightness down ever so slightly, so you might be able to see it a little bit better there. This palette really excites me. And again, £12. You can get this on Revolution, you can get it on Beauty Bay, you can get some of it on Superdrug as well. I'll leave links to all the products down below and also the little individual retailers too, just in case you want to get it from Beauty Bay because you have next day shipping like what I do, or if you want to get it from Superdrug and pick it up in store. Whatever, I got you. So the next thing that I picked up, which I literally couldn't resist, these are the 2-pack blending sponge. Again, they've never done anything like this in the previous collections, and this is just what it looks like. Look at that. Absolutely adorable. I'm really hoping that these are very similar to the Roxy ones. I did a full video testing Roxy's brand new collection with Revolution. Again, I will leave it linked down below if you want to go check it out, because that collection, beautiful. I absolutely love the look that I did for it as well. But her sponges were amazing, to the point where I actually bought another pack of the brush and sponges just to get the sponges in the Beauty Bay sale. But look at them. Oh my god. Absolutely adorable. And I believe, let me just double check the price. So these were £8 for a 2-pack of sponges. They are really soft. Unlike Revolution ones that I've tried from like many years ago where they just weren't my cup of tea, these feel really nice. And I just love the fact that it's got the little print on them and the purple and pink, just absolutely adorable. And we will try them in some videos across the week as well. The next 3 that I picked up were all of the boys palettes. I am so happy that they've done kind of the boys palettes to match the girl ones. So in collection number 1, like the little Monica palette that I've got on today, they also brought out a Phoebe one and they also brought out a Rachel one. Let me know if you still want me to do tutorials with them, because I will buy them just to do tutorials if anyone's interested, but if not, I'll just leave it. But I'm so happy that they've done matching ones for all of the lads as well. So we have, I'll start with my favourite one, which is Ross's one. So this is what Ross's looks like. These retail for £8 and these have 9 different shades in them. I am a bit disappointed that they haven't done lipsticks to match the boys' palette because the girls had matching lipsticks. They are bringing out lip kits. They're like on the website, but they're sold out. So I don't know what's happening with that, and they're nowhere else. They're not on Superdrug, they're not on Beauty Bay, they're literally just on Revolution, and it's like a lip liner and 2 glosses for each of the girls. But yeah, you can't buy it. It's out of stock, even though it never went in stock, if that makes sense. But this is what Ross's looks like. If that's not me in a palette, it looks like somebody's put their fingers in, doesn't it? Look at that. And I've literally just took the plastic off. But anyways, so that is what Ross's one looks like. My voice sounds like it's going already. I haven't filmed for so long. It feels so nice to be back. Then next up we have Chandler's palette. This one, I feel like it's a bit of a weird colour story for Chandler. Especially when I showed it to Blake and he was like, Ross's makes sense, but the other 2 guys doesn't. But I felt like Phoebe's palette didn't really make sense to her either. But I'm happy regardless because look how cute it is. That is cute, right? So this is what Chandler's one looks like. I just feel like it's such a random colour story for it. And I feel like, yeah, I don't know what look I'm going to do with this. I'm going to have to use my imagination when it comes to this one. I feel like a nice blue look would go because you've got like a darker blue, a light blue and a glitter. And then for the pinky purple, you've got like a darker one, a lighter one to blend it out with and a glitter. But this, yeah, it doesn't really make sense to me. But look, I still had to buy all of it. Like I just couldn't help myself. Again, £8. And then last for the little boy palettes, we have Joy's one. Joy's one is quite like vibrant. So the outer packaging matches the inside, and then the actual palette itself, let me just pull this bit off, it looks like this. Very, very kind of fruity. I really like it, but I feel like I don't know if it would remind me of Joy, but I like it anyway. I like it. So again, £8, and then the last 3 things that I picked up were the girl setting sprays. They only brought them out for the girls. There wasn't any boy ones, otherwise I would have picked them up as well. These retailed for £6 and they were described on the website as mini setting sprays, and they are literally mini. I'm trying to think what I can put next to them to compare. Let's put like my Doll Beauty lashes, like they are tiny, tiny setting sprays. But let's be serious, like I've got so many setting sprays, I probably need mini ones instead of massive ones. So we have Rachel, which matches her little palette. We have Monica, which obviously matches her little palette. And then we also have Phoebe in the exact same thing. Each of these setting sprays, from what I read in the description after I bought them, because I was like, I'm going to buy them anyway, and they could be the exact same thing. Different picture, I want them all. They actually have different scents. So if I remember rightly, Rachel's was a strawberry scent, Monica's was a sweet pineapple scent, and then Phoebe's is a citrus scent. So what the plan is for the next 5 days is to test each of the palettes. Every single day I'll do a different tutorial using them, swatching them, all that kind of good stuff. Along the week as well, we'll try the sponges in a video, and then for each of the boys' palette, I will match one of the setting sprays and we'll try the setting spray. So obviously I'll match Monica with Chandler, I'll match Rachel and Ross, and then Phoebe and Joy can go together as well. So please let me know which ones you want me to try first, what order you want me to do, because... So that is everything that I picked up with the Friends and Revolution collection. And number 3, this is the last collection of the whole thing as well, which is quite sad. But my Joy lipstick is coming tomorrow, so I'll be doing that with the Joy palette at some point over the next 5 days. Let me know down below which palette you want me to do first, and what other ones you want to come like second, third, fourth, etc. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to say as well, thank you so much for my patrons, been absolutely lovely, and for also helping me to pick which palette to go for as well. We talk every single day. It starts as little as £1 a month. It's like in a little exclusive community. We have an exclusive Instagram, we have an exclusive group chat, giveaways, all sorts of good stuff. We're literally 2 people away from 50 members as well, which is actually crazy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I definitely will see you tomorrow for a brand new video testing these Friends palettes. Bye.